नमस्कार, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल। आज है 12 अगस्त। बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, देवी और सज्जनों, आज विक्रम साराभाई भारत के स्पेस प्रोग्राम के जनक, द फादर ऑफ स्पेस प्रोग्राम ऑफ इंडिया का जन्मदिन है और उसी के उपलक्ष्य में वेलकम टू स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स एजुकेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम। वी हैव अरेंज्ड अ साइंस क्विज, द साइंस क्विज फॉर द सीनियर क्लासेस, the first semi-final. We are all set for the first semi-final and the teams are welcome. Team A. Boys and girls, please join your hands together for Team B. Time to welcome Team F. Well prepared, they are all set, ready to go, and so are the audience, I'm sure. Only 2 teams from these will qualify for the finals. The quiz will be held in 3 rounds. The first round will be a buzzer round. The second round will be a regulation round. And the third round will be the rapid fire round. Let me quickly tell you about scoring procedure. The first round will have negative marking. You should be careful when pressing the buzzer. Of course, we do not have an electrical buzzer fitted over here. Alternatively, we have arranged for some balls. They will be throwing these balls. The team throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. They will have to answer the question within 10 seconds after they have thrown the ball. The team answering correctly will add 5 marks to their tally. But in case you are not able to answer correctly, in case your answer is wrong, you will lose 3 marks from your tally. The second round will be regulation round. During the regulation round, you can take 30 seconds for answering. This is not a negative round. In case you do not answer, the question will be passed to the next team. Right? The question will also be passed to the third team. For the first pass, the team answering correctly will get 3 marks. But for the second pass, the team answering correctly will get only 1 number of marks. Regarding the rapid fire round, within 70 seconds, you will have to answer 7 questions. For each correct answer, you will be adding 3 marks to your tally. There will be no negative marking. In case you pass a question, and if time permits, I'll come back to you again for asking the same question. The timer will not allow me more than 70 seconds. In case you do not say pass or do not answer, there may be a situation when I will ask you only 1 question or 2 questions during the stipulated time. Therefore, it is up to you how cleverly you can make use of those 70 seconds. Right? So, teams are ready. We are starting the buzzer round. Well, ready teams? The buzzer round. First question. And before I go for the first question, let me warn you, you should not be in unnecessary hurry. Okay? The question is, ready, hands on buzzer, keep the... What was the name of ISRO during the initial days? Team B. Sparko, I'm afraid is wrong. The name was INCOSPAR. The name was INCOSPAR. Indian National Committee for Space Research. Well, we have a long way to go. Doesn't matter. Be positive. And here comes the next question. The next question, ready teams, hands on buzzer, be ready. But I again tell you, do not be in unnecessary hurry. The question is, which cells have irregular appearance? Which cells have irregular appearance? Come on, 30 seconds. Yes. Which cells, I said? You missed my question and you will straightway lose 3 marks. The answer was white blood cells. Third question. The last coming up. It is time for you to recover. Team A, time to start your scoring. They have already taken a risk, although they were not successful. Now it is time for you to start. Teams, the question is, what is cardiology? Yes?
The study of nucleus is called cardiology.
He says the study of nucleus is called cardiology. How confident are you? Right on dot. Absolutely correct. 5 marks. So with this, we have completed the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round, the scores are: Team A are the leaders with 5 points. Team B and F are trailing behind. Well, we are moving for the second round, that is the regulation round. The regulation round, we will have 4 rounds, and the first round I will be starting with Team A. Team A, your question is, which of the following statements is incorrect for an object moving along a straight path in an accelerated motion? A. Its speed keeps changing. B. Its velocity always changes. C. It always goes from earth. D. A force is always acting on it. The time starts, 30 seconds. Which one of the following statements is incorrect for an object moving along a straight path in an accelerated motion? A. Its speed keeps changing.
B. Its velocity keeps changing.
B. Its velocity always changes. It's not correct. I'm afraid you cannot add anything to your tally. Passes to you.
Option A, its speed.
Option A, its speed keeps changing is not correct. Option D is not correct. So it doesn't go to anyone. The correct answer is option C. It always goes from earth. Next question is for you, team D. And the question is, the acceleration of an object is A, inversely proportional to its mass, B, directly proportional to the applied force, C, resisted by inertia, D, all of the above. The yes,
Directly proportional to the
directly proportional to
rate.
the applied force is not correct. Passes to you. Inversely proportional is not correct. Passes to you.
All of
All of
the above.
the above is absolutely correct, and you add 1 number of marks to your tally. My third question is for you, and the question is, inertia A, sets objects in motion. B, causes change in motion. C, is the result of a net force. D, is directly proportional to the mass of an object. Inertia A, sets objects in motion. B, causes change in motion. C, is the result of yes. Option D. You will have to tell me what is the. You will have to tell me the answer. It's directly proportional to
Up.
time up. And it will not be passed to you as you have already got the hint. So the correct answer is directly proportional to the mass of an object. After the first round, the scores are 6, -3 and -3. Now the second round I will be starting with you. Your question is, cereals such as wheat, rice, maize, millets and sorghum provide us for energy requirements. A, fats, B, carbohydrates, C, vitamins, D, proteins. D, proteins is not correct. Passes to team D.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrates is absolutely correct. You add 3 marks to your tally. And your direct question is, photo periods are related to the duration of A, water, B, air, C, sunlight, D, soil. No signals from the audience. Please make sure.
Sunlight.
I will change the question. Somebody pointed out from there and you were looking at them. The next question for you. The question is, Sir, we will have to. Audience, in case any one of you points out, you will have to leave this room now. Question for you is, soybean, peasant pea, black gram are the examples of Rabi, Kharif, Zaid, none of the above. Soybean, peasant pea, black gram are the examples of A. Rabi, B. Kharif, C. Zaid, D. None of the above. None of the above is not correct. Passes to team A. Kharif is absolutely correct. You get 2 marks. Question for you. Which of the following is rich in organic matter and nutrients? A. Fertilizers. B. Weedicides. C. Pesticides. D. Compost.
Option A.
Option A, fertilizers is not correct. Passes to you. Team F. D. Compost is absolutely correct and you are 3 marks to your We have completed 2 rounds and after 2 rounds the scores are Team A 8 points, Team F 0, Team D 0. I'm sorry, Team A has scored 9 points. Well, we are starting round number 3 of the revolution round. I'll start with Team A. First question for you, Team A. When was Sputnik 1 launched? A. 1972, B. 1957, C. 1962, D. 1936.
1957.
1957 is your right on dot. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. When was Explorer 1 launched? A. 1958, B. 1962, C. 1971, D. 1975. Explorer 1, the vehicle was launched by NASA. 1962 is not correct, passes to you. 1975 is not correct, it passes to you. 1958 is correct and you get 1 number of bonus marks. Question for you. Who was the first chairman of INCOSPAR? A. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, B. Vikram Sarabhai, C. You don't want all the options? Okay, B. Vikram Sarabhai is absolutely correct and you get 5 marks for your correct answer. We have finished the 3 rounds and after 3 rounds the scores are Team A 15, Team F 5, Team D haven't scored. the last of the revolution round. Well, I'll start with you. The question is, during summer, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomena of A. Diffusion, B. Transpiration, C. Cosmos, D. Evaporation. D. Evaporation is correct. You get 5 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. And your question is, which of the following statements is incorrect? Matter is made up of particles. Matter is continuous in nature. Particles of matter are always in state of motion. Particles of matter attract each other. Matter is made up of particles. Matter is continuous in nature. Particles of matter are always in state of motion. Particles of matter attract each other. Option first, matter is made up of particles. You say it is incorrect. You are wrong. Passes to team A. Option B, matter is continuous in nature. You get 3 marks for your correct answer. And your question is, if the component of the substance can be separated by a chemical change, only then it is A or N, A element, B compound, C mixture, D both A and B. Option B compound is absolutely correct, and you get 5 more marks. With this, boys and girls, we have completed the regulation round, and after the regulation round, the scores are, well, boys and girls, we are starting the rapid fire round. As you know, in this round, we have 21 marks for you. 21 marks for grabbing. You should grab all of the score. And the timer has 70 seconds for you. The judges will give you full 21 in case you answer all the 7. Right? So, ready team? The timer is ready. And your time starts now. Mercury is not a pure substance. Agree or disagree? Is correct. Milk of magnesia is an example of colloid solution. True or false? True is correct. Endoplasmic reticulum is not present in plant cell. Am I serious or joking? Is correct. Pandiopsism controls all activities of the cell. Correct or incorrect? Is correct. Mullets are examples of finned fishes. Right or wrong? Is not correct. Pasturage is related to apiculture. Agree or disagree? No. The rate of change of velocity per second is known as average velocity. True or false? False is correct. 5 3s are 15 added to your tally takes you to 15. Right? Well, this is for you, Team F. 70 seconds, 21 marks for grabbing, but you will have to answer them correctly, right? And ready? The timer is ready. Your time starts now. Kharif crop grows in winter season. Agree or disagree? Not correct. Chromoplasts are colorless plastids. True or false? Is correct. Mitochondria are known as the suicide bags of the cell. Am I serious or joking? Joking is correct. Meth is the homogeneous mixture. Correct or incorrect? Correct is not correct. Gallium is an example of liquid metal. Right or wrong?
Right.
Is not correct. If a velocity of a body is zero, then the acceleration can be non-zero. Agree or disagree? Disagree is not correct. Velocity is defined as distance per time. True or false? Is not correct. So you answered 2 correct. 3 to the 6. 6 added to your tally takes you to 16. So rapid fire round for team A. Let me tell you, even if you do not play this round, you have qualified because the scores are 23, 15, 16. So it's up to you whether you wish to play or not. Right? Do you want to play this round?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Team A, ready? 70 seconds. Timer is ready. And the first question, your time starts now. A body moving at a constant velocity can have acceleration. Do you agree or disagree?
Second.
Right. The slope of the distance time graph gives velocity. True or false? Right. No, not correct. The force of attraction between the gas particles is very high. Joking or serious?
Okay.
Right. Gaseous particles are in a state of random motion. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Right. Oxygen is called the energy currency of the cell. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong is correct. Rohu and Kaila are types of marine water fish. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Not correct. Leghorn is related to poultry. True or false? Right. So I asked them 7. They answered 5. 5 3s are 15. And your tally goes to 38. Shabash. Boys and girls, with this we are concluding semi-final number 1 for the seniors. Congratulations team A, congratulations team F. Team B, there is always next time. Bad luck it was for you. Thank you, each one of you. You have been such a good audience. I wish to salute you as audience. Thank Thank you for devoting your time.